Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to reduce the rational expression x squared minus 49 divided by 7x plus 7 to its lowest terms. This problem involves factoring and simplifying the expression to make it easier to work with. So, let's dive into the steps and solve this together. To simplify the rational expression x squared minus 49 over 7x plus 7 in the first step, we will factorize the numerator and the denominator of the fraction. Let's start with the numerator. The expression x squared minus 49 is a difference of squares. This means it can be rewritten as two binomials multiplied together. Remember that a squared minus b squared is equal to open a plus b close times open a minus b close. In this case, x squared is our a squared and 49 is our b squared. Since the square root of x squared is x and the square root of 49 is 7, we can rewrite x squared minus 49 as open x plus 7 close times open x minus 7 close. So, the numerator is now open x plus 7 close times open x minus 7 close. Next, let's look at the denominator, which is 7x plus 7. We notice that each term in the denominator contains a common factor. The common factor is 7. To factor out the common factor, we divide each term by 7. So, 7x plus 7 becomes 7 times open x plus 1 close. We have now rewritten our expression, making it clearer. Now our expression looks like open x plus 7 close times open x minus 7 close over 7 times open x plus 1 close. This completes our first step, where we have successfully factorized both the numerator and the denominator. In the second step, we begin with the simplified expression from the first step, where we have x plus 7 times x minus 7 over 7 times x plus 1. To simplify this further, we need to cancel out any common factors in the numerator and the denominator. Notice that both the numerator and the denominator contain the factor x plus 7. When you have a common factor in both the numerator and the denominator of a fraction, you can cancel it out because any value divided by itself is 1. So, we cancel out x plus 7 in both the numerator and the denominator. This leaves us with x minus 7 over 7 times x plus 1, which simplifies our fraction to x minus 7 over 7. At this point, we have simplified the rational expression to its lowest terms. There are no more common factors to cancel out. So this is our final step. Our simplified expression is therefore x minus 7 over 7.